Hello friends. In this video, we will study the various remedies which are used to eliminate the errors in the measurement system. So let's start with our topic. So whenever we are doing any measurement, we are measuring any physical quantities, then there are chances that we get an incorrect result. Okay, and that incorrect result is called the error. Okay, means that we are not getting the actual value of that physical quantity, but some different value we are getting. Okay, so error is called the difference between the true value of that quantity and the measured value, that is the value which we have measured of that quantity. Now these errors, they can arise due to different reasons. There are various reasons due to which these errors can occur in the measurement. Okay, and we express these errors in various ways. Okay, like there are various types of errors in the measurement. Some of the examples of them are gross errors, observational errors, environmental errors, random errors, and so on. Okay, so there are various types of errors in the measurement. Now these errors, they arise due to different reasons. Like gross errors, they arise due to different reason. Observational errors, they are due to the errors in the observation, okay, by the observer. If the observer has made any mistake while doing the measurement, then observational errors can occur. Environmental errors, they occur due to the changes in the environmental conditions. So these errors, they arise due to different reasons. So if we want to eliminate these errors, if we want to reduce these errors, then because reasons are different, so the remedies to eliminate that error will be different. Okay, so for eliminating the errors or for reducing these errors, we are having different remedies according to the type of the error. Okay, so in this video, we will study that how these types of errors, they can be eliminated, what precautions can be taken by us so that we can reduce them in the measurement. Okay, let's start with it. So as I have said that there are various types of errors, and let's see the first type of error, which is the gross error. Now, why does gross error occur in the measurement? These gross errors, they occur due to the carelessness or the lack of experience of a human being. Because when the human being is taking the measurement, so it has to take some readings, it has to do some calculations over that. Okay, and if the human being is careless at the time of taking the readings or doing the calculations, then also error can occur. Okay, also if the human being is not having any experience of working over that instrument or doing that measurement, then also error can occur. So gross errors, they occur due to carelessness or lack of experience of a human being. So it is just the mistake of that human being. So how we can remove them or how we can eliminate such types of error? First, the human being should take care while taking the reading, recording the reading and calculating the result. So special care should be taken at that time, that now at this time we are taking the reading, so human being should be concentrated at that time. Okay, he should not make any mistake while taking the reading. Also, if he is recording the reading, then also he should be aware at that time, alert, and calculating the result, doing the calculations, applying the formula at that time. Also, the observer, the human being, it should take care at that time. So first precaution or first remedy which we can do to eliminate the cross error is to take care while taking the readings. Second, the human being, when we are doing that measurement, we should not depend on only one reading. Okay, because it may happens that when we are taking that reading at first time, the mistake can occur. Okay, we should take two or three, at least two or three readings should be taken. If the two three readings they are coming out to be same every time, then it means that we are doing the right measurement. Okay, if the readings are coming out to be wrong, it means that we have taken some wrong readings. So the human being, so the observer, it should not depend on only one reading. At least two three readings should be taken, so that if any mistake has occurred, that can be eliminated. So this is the way in which we can eliminate the gross errors. Next type of error is the systematic error. Now these systematic errors, they occur due to shortcomings in the instrument. Suppose that the instrument which is used for doing the measurement is, if there is any mistake in that instrument, then also error can occur. So those types of errors are called the systematic errors. Now these systematic errors, they are of three types: instrumental, environmental, and observational. The environmental errors, they occur due to the shortcomings of the instrument, that is if there any mistake in the instrument. Environmental means that if there is any changes in the environment, and observation means that they are due to the observer. Okay, so how we can eliminate these types of errors? Let's see. Instrumental errors, because they are occurring due to the instrument, so first thing we can do is to select a proper instrument. If instrument is properly selected, then there are less chances of errors in the measurement. So first of all, we should select the instrument properly. After that, proper procedure should be selected for the measurement. Suppose that we are using some wrong method to do the measurement. Okay, the steps which we are following for doing the measurement, they are wrong, then also errors can occur. So proper procedure should be selected for the measurement, and the proper instrument should be selected. Also, Every time we are doing the measurement by using that instrument, then first we should calibrate that instrument by calibrating it against a standard quantity. Okay, so if suppose that there are internally any errors in the instrument, then also it is going to generate the errors. Okay, internally if there is any mistake, any wire is break, or any readings or pointer is not at the correct position, so at that time also the errors can occur. So first of all, before doing any measurement, we should calibrate the instrument. Okay, so calibration, that is going to reduce the percentage of errors. So these are the ways in which we can reduce the instrumental errors. Also, if we are doing that same instrument is being used again and again, if we are not using it properly, misuse of the instrument is being done. So that is also going to create errors in the measurement. So proper instrument should be used, proper method should be used, and calibration should be done for that instrument. Now, next type of errors were the environmental errors. Now, as I have said that the environmental errors, they occur due to the external conditions. Okay, external condition means like if we are using the instrument in some adverse conditions, like there are the magnetic fields and electric fields present around the instrument, then also it is going to give the incorrect readings. Also, if pressure and vibrations and temperature changes are occurring, then also that is going to create errors. So how we can reduce the environmental errors? So we can reduce these environmental errors by using some type of arrangements which will keep the surrounding conditions constant, because if the surrounding conditions are changing, that is going to create the error. So some methods or arrangements should be done so that the surrounding conditions remain constant and not affect the instrument. Also, the effect of dust and humidity should be reduced on the components. Some proper methods should be used there, okay, so that dust and humidity cannot affect the components of the instrument. Also, we should try to use those instruments which are immune to such environmental effects. Okay, we should avoid using those instruments which are very susceptible to the environmental changes, so that if any changes are occurring in the environmental conditions, then that is not going to affect the instrument. So instrument immune to such environmental effects should be used. Also, if we want to reduce the effect of the stray magnetic and electric field, then we should use some sheet around the instrument. Some shield should be used, so that shield is going to protect the instrument from these magnetic fields and electric fields. Okay, so these methods can be used to reduce or eliminate the environmental errors. Third type of systematic errors were the observational errors. Now, as I've said that observational errors, they occur due to the mistake of the observer. Suppose that observer has not taken care while taking the readings, the position of the observer and the instrument is not at the same level, okay, then also error can occur. So to reduce these observational errors, we should use instruments with mirrors, knife edged pointers, etc. Also, we can use the instruments with digital display. Because observational errors means while taking the readings, the error has occurred. Okay, while taking the observation, doing the observation. So instruments with mirrors, they are very helpful. So with the help of mirror, it is clear to us to see the readings. Also, if the pointers are knife edged pointers, means the pointer is very pointed out, then we can correctly read the readings over the scale. Okay, if it is somewhat blunt shape, then we cannot read the proper reading. Okay, also if digital display is there, so directly we are getting the readings over that display, so there will be less chances of having the errors in the measurement. Okay, in pointer type there are more chances, so to reduce that we can use the knife edge pointers, and also we can use mirrors in the instrument. The last type of errors are the random errors. Random errors, their reason of occurring these errors is not correctly known. Okay, they can occur due to any reason. Means randomly they can occur in the instrument. So if we want to reduce them, they are generally due to the accumulation of small effects. Means like some problem is occurring in the instrument, that is very small problem, but such types of small problems, if they are occurring simultaneously, then that is going to create a large error in the instrument. So random error, there is no reason for that, that why they are occurring. They are occurring because if that small effects are accumulating themselves and creating a large effect, that is disturbing the measurement. Okay, so first of all, to remove them, high degree of accuracy is required. So when we are doing the measurement, if we are doing that measurement properly, accurately, and doing all the precautions, then we will be able to eliminate the random errors. So here in this video, we studied the various types of errors. We saw that how these errors can be eliminated. What are the remedies which we should take to eliminate the errors in the measurement system? Okay. So I hope that this topic is now clear to you. Thank you.